Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and I am really excited because I was just sent this telescope or magnifying lens that you can use for anything from bird watching to checking out the stars at night, and I'm loving a lot of the features about this product, and I wanted to kind of go over that briefly with you. This actually comes with a couple of lens cleaning cloths. You've got a nice USB recharging cable because this is a powered unit, so you do have the ability to charge this up. It'll last about 6 hours on a full charge, which is absolutely great that that's going to last that long. You get a tripod, which is nice, with an adjustable little gimbal here that can adjust that up and down, user's manual, and a little anti-glare reflective piece here, as well as a removable lens cover on the end here that you can attach on if you want to with that. So to operate with this telescope here, you're simply going to press the power button on, and it's going to come on. I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece here off the end. You've got a nice piece here on the end. It's got a nice digital display. This is one of my favorite features of this, is actually has this digital display, as you can see that on there. Now, this is the anti-glare piece here that you can use if you're going to be outside to put that on there. That kind of keeps some of the sun off of there. But you have a nice little menu button here that allows you to do a lot of different features with this. One is you can click this middle button here and switch it to where you can use it traditionally with the adjusting of the focus and everything on this actual eyelet piece here. So you can see the trees in the background, but why would you want to use that when you have this much larger display? I'm kind of focused in on some trees considerably further distance out there in the backyard. This has 350 times magnification and 18 times digital zoom on this nice lens here. It's an 80 millimeter lens that is on this thing, so it's got a large lens on here. Now, when this is open like this, you can actually use this little knob here to the side to adjust focus, getting that precisely exactly where you want to have it to get that exactly where you need to do it. And then here you have the ability to brighten or darken the picture if you're wanting to make the picture exposure a little bit darker or brighter to get that just the perfect clarity there as well. Mode button on the top switches from video mode because you can actually record video and take pictures. You can switch it to a camera mode, and then on the camera you've got an OK button right here. Simply take pictures. That way you can go back and hit mode again, and it's going to take you to the play feature, and you now can actually scroll through those photos that you've taken, which is really nice. So that way if you get that perfect shot of the moon or of the stars and you're wanting to take a picture, real easy to do that on there as well. You also have a lot of other settings throughout your menu setting that allow you to do time-lapse, have certain effects, do contrast exposures, you got different brightness levels and so forth. So a lot of really nice features that come along with this little telescope, and it all compacts back down by simply turning it off and pushing that button there, dropping that back down, and now you can seal all this up and take it with you for your next outdoor adventure.